Ethiopia is one of Africa's most battle-hardened nations, with decades of combat experience, internal conflicts, and regional security challenges. The country has steadily built one of the most diverse and formidable military arsenals on the continent. From long-range missile systems and electronic warfare platforms to advanced fighter jets and combat drones, Ethiopia's military is evolving fast. In today's video, we break down Ethiopia's top 10 strongest weapons, ranked by firepower, strategic importance, combat effectiveness, and battlefield dominance. Coming in at number 10 is the A200 guided rocket artillery system, manufactured in China. This heavy multiple rocket launcher fires 300 mm guided rockets with an operational range of up to 200 kilometers. What makes the A200 deadly is its precision. Using GPS and inertial guidance, it can launch 8 independently targeted rockets in under 50 seconds, striking multiple targets with devastating accuracy. The system was actively used during the Tigray conflict, giving Ethiopia long-range precision strike capability against command centers, logistic hubs, and fortified positions. At number 9 is the M20 short-range ballistic missile, another Chinese-made strategic weapon. The M20 can strike targets up to 280 kilometers away, delivering a 4,480 kilogram warhead with a precision of roughly 30 meters, thanks to satellite and inertial guidance. This missile gives Ethiopia the ability to hit high-value targets deep behind enemy lines, dramatically increasing its deterrence posture. Both sides reportedly used ballistic missile capabilities during the Tigray War, making one of the rare instances of missile warfare in sub-Saharan Africa. At number 8 is the Kasuka 4 electronic warfare system, acquired from Russia and publicly showcased in late 2023. This mobile ground-based system is designed to jam enemy radars, satellites, drones, and communication network. In modern warfare, controlling the electromagnetic spectrum is just as important as firepower. The Kasuka 4 significantly enhances Ethiopia's ability to blind and disrupt enemy forces, giving it a major advantage in electronic and information warfare. At number 7 is Ethiopia's unique adaptation of the S-75 Divina, also known as the SA-2 guideline, originally a Soviet-era system designed to shoot down high-altitude aircrafts. Ethiopia has modernized and mounted the S-75 on T-55 tank chassis, dramatically improving its mobility. Integrated with newer systems like the Panista S1, this setup strengthens Ethiopia's layered air defense network and remains a serious threat to hostile aircrafts. At number 6 is the PHL-03 multiple rocket launcher system, a Chinese multiple rocket launcher similar to Russia BM-30 Smash. This truck-mounted system fires 300 mm rockets with range exceeding 130 kilometers, capable of saturating large areas with explosive firepower. The PHL-03 is used for strategic strikes on air bases, logistic hubs, troop concentrations, and command centers, making it one of Ethiopia's most destructive artillery platforms. Coming in at number 5 is the SH-15 155mm self-propelled gun. This Chinese-made truck-mounted artillery system fires conventional shells up to 30 kilometers and rocket-assisted projectiles up to 53 kilometers. With a digitized fire control system, rapid deployment capability, and airlift compatibility, the SH-15 greatly improves Ethiopia's artillery mobility and responsiveness on modern battlefields. At number 4 is one of Ethiopia's most innovative military solutions. Ethiopia has converted Chinese WZ-551 armored personnel carriers into improvised self-propelled artillery by mounting Soviet D-30-122mm on them. This cost-effective modification provides mobile artillery firepower, rapid relocation after firing, and showcases Ethiopia's ability to adapt existing platforms under battlefield pressure. At number 3 is the Mi-35 attack helicopter, the export version of the legendary Mi-24 Hind. These Russian-made gunships combine heavy firepower, troop transport capability, and armored protection, making them ideal for close air support and counterinsurgency operations. Ethiopia has deployed Mi-35s in both domestic operations and international peacekeeping missions, proving their versatility and reliability. At number 2 is the Su-35 multiple-role fighter jet, one of the most advanced fighter jets operating in Africa. This 4+ generational aircraft features thrust vectoring engines, super cruise capabilities, advanced radar, and modern air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. The Su-35 gives Ethiopia air superiority, deep strike capability, and long-range interception power, firmly placing its air force among Africa's elites. Taking the top spot is the Bayraktar Akinci, developed by Turkey. The Akinci is a high-altitude, long-endurance combat drone capable of carrying a massive 1,500 kilograms payload. It performs intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, strike missions, and battlefield command and control, roles once reserved for manned aircrafts. Ethiopia is also launching local drones manufacturing, aiming for self-reliance and potential exports. This makes the Akinci not just Ethiopia's strongest weapon, but a symbol of its future military strategy. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mambo Africa. We are on a road to 5,000 subscribers. See you on our next video.